Hello guys, welcome again. So today we are going to look at how to design a 4-bit calculator using logic gate 7 segment display. But I would like you to stay until the end of this video, because at the end of the video I will tell you exactly how can you get this file. So now let's get started. So you can see here is the interface. Here are the input. We have A and B, and it is here designed this way, A and B, right? And here we will display the answers, and the numbers that we punch from here will be displayed here. Okay, now here is the kind of like the keypad, and the keypad notion is being articulated here correctly, that we have the addition. For addition you just have to put 0 1. For subtraction you just have to use 1 1. For multiplication 1 0, and then we have division as 0 0. Okay, and then we have the carry flag, zero flag, sign flag, overflow flag. Now here is a design chip. If we go to the child sheet, it shows here the child sheet, the carryover, the sign flag, everything is being designed here. So you can see now, if any of this one, if you want to see, let's say for the adder, you click and then you go to the child sheet. If you go to the child sheet, you'll see it here again. It's another one embedded in this particular adder. And if we take one of the adder, full adder, and then you go to the child sheet again, we can see that it is clearly shown here. Here's the child sheet. Now if we go back, exit to parent sheet, parent sheet, we have our platform here. Right, now let us run and see how it works here. Play. Now everything is at 0 0. Okay, now we have to use let us use addition. For example, we'll say that is 9, and then we have here, let's say, now 0 1. That will be like 9 plus, which will give you 15, and that is the answer exactly here in hex. Okay, there is the hex numbers. And then if we go to, that is addition, and then subtraction will give you 1 1. Okay, so that will be 9 minus 6, it is giving you as 0 3. Okay, in hex number. Okay, and also we have that is multiplication. For the multiplication, it is 1 0. So if you put it this way, that will be 9 multiplied by 6, which will give you 36. Okay, the flags are carried, it's on. And then if we go to the division and say 9 divided by 3, and division will be, now the division will be 0 0, which will be 9 divided by 6. Okay, this is the hex format, the hex answer for it. Now let us just dive in on how you can get this file. How can you get this file? It's clearly simple. Just follow me. Now all you have to do is to dive into one of the browsers. Just click and say 4-bit. Calculator. Then you put space, colon, space, let me see. Then you put Afronics. Then you click on enter. Here is the blog post about it, that is build a 4-bit calculator with logic gates. If you click on this one, you scroll down, then you'll be able to download this file. Now that you've downloaded the file and it's working properly, And if you need more upgrade upon this and more explanation about it in the design process, just comment in the comment section below. If the comments reach around like 100 comments about how to go step by step, then I will go through and I will show you step by step how to do this. And if this is helpful for you, just click on the like button and also subscribe if you haven't done so. Also share this video with someone whom you know it will be very beneficial to. So thank you for watching this particular video.